Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear windshield wiper blade on a Nissan Quest. Let's go ahead and get started. Now this particular Nissan Quest is a 2008 Nissan Quest. You can see the blade is in bad shape, falling apart here, which is doing us no good, which is why we need to replace it. Let me show you what you'll need to do this, and then we'll get this taken care of. For this vehicle, Nissan would like you to order the blade from them because it's kind of got like a custom mount and all that stuff. But I'm going to show you right here just a standard 14-inch windshield wiper blade. We can use that. I just paid $5.99 for this one here in Michelin. You can get these very inexpensive, a lot cheaper than going through the dealership and paying 20, 25 bucks for that just because it has the fancy little plastic piece when any of these will work. But let me show you what you'll do in order to be able to make this one work. Here's the one that came off, and you can see the little bracket. It has like a little, right there, has a little bar going through it, and that clips on. Here, let me show you. You can see it right there. Here's another shot of it. You can see that bar goes up in there and clips in, and that's how this is hinged here on this back. Now, if we take a look at this replacement one that I have here, that clips on differently because this is just your standard type of windshield wiper blade. So it's got a different kind of mount, so we can't use that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slide the old blade off of the old windshield wiper. We're going to slide the one off of this one, just the rubber piece, and that'll easily slide right onto the new one, quick and easy, and that's how we're going to change it out. You can see there. Now it's held on in multiple points, but it's still the same blade. So we're going to slide this one out as well. We're just going to pull it out, work it out, and then we'll slide it right here onto that one and just slide it in, and then that'll take care of it. So we're going to lift it up like that and then just pull it gently. You can see it sliding out of the track right here. There we go. And then on this end, just pull it out like that. Now that that's out, we can slide it into the track on this one. So we'll come on this end. You want to feed it in. You want to go gentle. You don't want to break anything. You want to make sure that it's grabbing it properly, like it is. We're going to slide it all the way on. Hold on. And then we're going to slide it all the way through. I'm going to slide this all the way on, and then we'll be back to take a look at it. You can see how it's going on. Like that. And then this yellow piece is just a protector of the blade. Slide that off. Slide it on like this. And that's it. We have our new blade on here. Went right on, and this will clip back on like we saw. And we're good to go. And here's a close-up. You can see how nice the blade is. Sliding right into that track. That's how you want it to look. Everything is good. And we're ready to put that here on the back. And now that we're ready to put it on, you have that little bar right there, and as we saw, there's a clip. You'll just bring this in, and basically you want that dipped in piece to be facing out like this. Let me get a close-up as I clip it in. You can see how it goes in, and then we can just push it. There we go. It's locked in. You can see it. It's all lined up. All nice and smooth right there. All right, I'm going to turn it on so we can see how well it's working and wrap up this video. Nice and smooth. Okay, well that wraps up this video. Quick and easy how to replace the rear windshield wiper blade on a Nissan Quest. As mentioned already, you can spend 20 or 25 bucks if you want to get it through Nissan. This is what it would look like if you would order it. Take a look. But if you're like me and you don't like getting ripped off, for $5.99, just get a 14-inch blade and just slide it right out, put it onto the same mount so that way it clips back on, because a regular windshield wiper will not fit on here because it has that clip. The other ones have the hook, so that's the only difference. But that wraps up this video. I hope this was informative for you, helped you out if you're trying to replace the rear blade on your Nissan Quest. As mentioned already, this is a 2008. Please send me any questions, comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel. I'll have links to other videos I've done with this vehicle if you want to check those out as well. I'll see you next time.